Hello student, in previous section we study about the consistency and inconsistency of linear pair equation. Now we study in this session, I will study the substitution method of solving a pair of linear equation. So substitution method. In substitution method we find the solution of given pair of linear equation, and we already study about graphical method to solve a linear equation, and this is a substitution method. So I explain this by using one example. So example number first is x plus y is equals to 14 and x minus y is equals to 4. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So here we pick any one equation. I pick this equation and write it one variable in terms of another. So one variable, so I take this in the form of x. So x is equals to 4 plus y minus y. When I take that side, then it becomes a plus y. So x is equals to 4 plus y. This is equation number 3. So we get the value of x, so we substitute this value in equation number first. Substitute the value of x in equation number first. So our equation first is x plus y is equals to 14. So value of x is 4 plus y. So we put value of x is equal to 4 plus y in equation first. So value of x is 4 plus y written as it is below is equals to 14. Then 4 as it is, y plus y, 2y is equals to 40. So 2y is equals to 14 plus 4, take that side, 14 minus 4 is 10. So 2y is equals to 10. So y is equals to 10 by 2, y is equals to 5. So next we find, now we get a value of y, then we find by using this we find the value of x. Our equation number 3 is in the form of one variable, that is in the form of x is equals to 4 plus y. So we put the value of y in equation number 3. So x plus y, our equation number 3 is, put this value in equation 3. So our equation 3 is x is equals to 4 plus y, and value of y is 5. So value of y, we put here value of y is 5. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So we get a solution x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 5. So here we put one equation to another equation. So this method is called a substitution method. This is also useful to find a solution. Then we take equation number 2. Example number 2, first equation is root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0, and root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. So now we solve this example. In this example, this is equation number first and this is equation number second. So here we also pick example number 2 and write it one variable in terms of another. So let us consider example number 2. Let's consider equation number 2. Root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. So we write this equation as variable x. So root 3x is equals to root 8y minus root 8y. We take this minus root 8y right side, then it becomes plus. So root 3x is equals to root y. So x is equals to root 8 upon root 3 y. This is value of x in terms of y, one variable in terms of other variables. So this is equation number 3. We get x is equal to root 8 upon root 3 into y. Then we put this value of x in equation number 1. We put value of x in equation 1. Our equation 1 is root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0, and by using equation 3, value of x is root 8 upon root 3 into y plus root 3y is equals to 0. So 8 to the 16, root 16 y divided by root 3 plus root 3y is equals to 0. Then root 16 is 4, so 4y plus root 3y is equals to 0, and here denominator is root 3. So for cancel root 3, we multiply both side by root 3. So root 3 into 4y divided by root 3 plus root 3 into root 3y is equals to 0 into root 3, 0. So root 3 get cancelled. So 4y plus root 3 into root 3, 3y is equals to 0. So this is 7y, addition is 7y is equals to 0. So y is equals to 0. So we get value of y is equal to 0. Then we put value of y, put value y is equals to 0 in equation 3. We get value of x. X is equals to, by equation 3, x is equals to root 8 upon root 3 into y. But here our value of y is root 8 upon root 3 into 0, so x becomes a 0. So these are values of given linear equation. So solution is x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Then let us consider another example. Example number 3. S minus t is equals to 3 and s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equals to 6. This is equation number first. So we simplify equation number 2. S upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equals to 6. So take LCM. 3 into 2 is 6. So take LCM of this equation. Then we multiply 3 into 2 6. LCM is 6. So multiply both side by 6. Multiply both side by 6. So 6 into s upon 3 plus 6 into t upon 2 is equals to 6 into 6. So here 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. So we get 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. This is our equation number 2. Equation first is s minus t is equals to 3. Equation first is s minus t is equals to 3, and second is 2s plus 3t is equals to 36. So we pick here equation number first and write it as one variable form. So one variable s is in the form of other variable, that is 3 plus t minus t, take that side, then 3 plus t, s is equals to 3 plus t. So this is equation number 3. So we put equation 3 in equation 2. So here we pick equation number first, so we put this equation number 3 in equation number 2. So our equation number 2 is 2s plus 3t is equals to 36. So value of s is 3 plus t plus 3t is equals to 36. 3 2s are 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equals to 36. 6 plus 5t, 3t plus 2t, 5t is equals to 36. So 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. 5t is equal to 30. So t is equal to 6. So we get value of t is equals to 6. Then put value of t in equation 3. We get value of s. Equation 3 is s is equals to 3 plus t. So 3 plus 6. So value of s is equals to 9. Therefore solution is s is equals to 9 and t is equals to 6. In this way we solve example by using substitution method.